For today's project, we're going to have some fun turning this cube into a sphere hollow form.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about. Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to Wolf Ridge Woodworking. I'm Ed, welcome to my shop. I'm hoping you're having a great day. So we've got a cube here. It's a cherry cube. It's about 5 by 5 by 5. So what I want to do is turn this into a sphere hollow form. And I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do, but there's going to be some embellishments on the top. And I want to take an opportunity to just say, before I get started, and if you want to skip ahead, please go ahead if you don't hear me ramble. But what I want to say is I'm going to be doing some experimenting here in, over the next coming months with, different texturing, different finishings, and again, it's just to evolve what I can do with the tools that I have. Some people may not like it, and that's okay. Some people may like just the traditional shapes, and that's okay too. But I do want to do some experimenting. That's kind of what I started the channel for, was to learn to do some experimenting. And hopefully there's some things that I make a mistake or I do that maybe you might learn and want to experiment with also. So rambling over, we'll keep moving on. I hope you enjoy this. Let's go have some fun. All right, so I'm going to take it up through 600 grit, and at least try to get right here as smooth as I can, and then I'll reach out to the outside, and I'll come back and talk to you guys when I'm about ready to do the outside. Say about right here is where the embellishment will start. And I'll explain to you here in just a minute what that embellishment is. Okay. And let's go around it a little bit. And let's see. Maybe a third of the way up there, so it's about right, maybe right there, somewhere like that. Maybe a little bit more, let's see. So if you're the type of person that you think this looks perfectly fine, you don't want to see anything that might ruin it, I would say look away from the screen now. Come back later or come back next week. So what I'm gonna do is I've got this little burr, hopefully you can see that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in here and just randomly place it, and it's going to look like a kind of like almost like a hammer texture. And then what I'm going to do is on either side of it to frame it, I'm going to put a bead across here, and then I'm going to torch this and hopefully get a nice little char on it with maybe some of the color of the cherry coming through. That's the plan. Let's see how that goes. How about this? Look at it, it spins. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. I did. So it's not perfect, and that's okay. I think if I were to do it again, I probably wouldn't use the beading tool. I don't think that was a good choice. I think I would just put a groove in there with the diamond Easy Wood tools, or even the toe of the skew, and then burn it in with the wire. I think that would have looked so good. I'm still happy with this, and I think it was a really cool texture. Again, I think maybe I would paint it instead of try to burn it. Something I wanted to try, just something new, and hey, now I know. But all in all, I'm still really happy with it. I'm happy that it's the sphere shape. There we go. And that was the first time I've made something that was a sphere shape, and I was really happy with that. I enjoyed it, and I hope you did too. Again, as always, or as in the last couple of episodes, this may not be your cup of tea, and that's okay. It's something that I'm trying. I'm trying to experiment with, because there's only so many bowl shapes that you can make, but I'm trying to, branch out. What can I do? I want to do some wood piercing, so that's coming soon. Anyway, rambling on. I hope you enjoyed this. I did. If you want to see other videos like that, click over here. If you want to become a subscriber, click up here, click the bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.